What if I told you that a single paper die set like this could unlock a world of creativity by using paper like this to create this beautiful, worthy purse? In this video, we'll be crafting this stunning purse that can be used for any and all occasions. You'll discover how easy it is to make unique gifts that will have everyone saying, "Did you really make that?" Let me show you how. So this is the purse that I made with this die set, my first one. It's very roomy. It's got a lot of room. I can put my hand in there. It's still a lot, and good size too. So you can put a lot of stuff in this one. It's not just a gift card. I think I could put like a ton of gift card in here. So, but you could definitely put cards. You could put a small gift. But I love the paper. I like the foiling, the colors, and just really pretty. And it does have a backing or a layering piece for the back, and you can use the same one for the inside, but I didn't do it. I just wanted to do the side panels and then the front and back, essentially. So this is a die set that we're using today, and it's by papercraft. It's not a new die set by any means, but it's new to me. So I'll leave a link for this die set if you guys are interested in using it. The paper that I used for this purse here is from Hobby Lobby, the paper studio, and it's called Spring Walk. It's got some foiling in it and 60 sheets for this pack. I believe they still have it in stock. And then the ones that we'll use, the die sets here, real quick run through would be, here's the main or the base piece, and then behind it is the layering piece. And they all have layering pieces, base piece, layering piece. So anything with stitching is actually the layering piece. So it's really nice, and you'll only need to cut one of these for the base. So with that said, you're gonna need two front and back of the layering piece and two base piece. You're going to need one, just the base, and then two side walls and the panels that go with it. The two at the bottom here. And then you've got this piece here, the handles with its layering piece. So pretty easy to put together, but it's a lot of pieces to put together though. So, but let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the Valentine version of this purse here. So like you saw, the tricky part was I think putting the base together, just because you have to make sure it's aligned. Alright, so what to put inside. You can put a gift card in here. You can put lip balm. Again, it's a very big purse. So these are just Bath & Body hand sanitizer. And I can put 6, I believe, 6 or... I can fit a lot. The reason why this one's a little wonky, because I have a lip balm there, or lip gloss. A lot of stuff with still extra room. So it's good if you want to give a gift card, a little stuffed animal, or a stuffed toy, hand sanitizer, and a bunch of candy if you want to for Valentine's Day. Let's see. The candy's down here. Like a handful of candy. You can put it in here. So a lot of room. And it's a good size purse. Good size treat as well. Treat holder. So that is my project for this week. You can make it any occasion. Just 2 different paper designs here. And it just looks 2 different ways. This one looks more elegant, and obviously this one's more playful. All right, thank you guys for your time. And hopefully you guys leave me a comment if you have any questions, and be safe out there, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.